Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will tell you a long story. So please relax, listen carefully, and enjoy every moment of this story. Once upon a time, there was a boy named Rizal. He lived in a small village near the mountains. The village was beautiful with green rice fields, fresh air, and a peaceful atmosphere. But behind that beauty, life was not easy. Rizal came from a poor family. His father was a farmer who worked in the fields every day under the hot sun. His mother sold vegetables in a small traditional market. They worked very hard, but sometimes it was still not enough. Since he was a child, Rizal understood that life was not simple. Every morning, before going to school, he helped his parents. He fed the chickens, carried water, and sometimes helped in the rice field. After that, he went to school with tired eyes, but he always tried to smile. Even though his life was difficult, Rizal had a dream. It was not a big dream like becoming a famous person or a rich man. His dream was simple, but very meaningful to him. He wanted to speak English fluently. However, this dream was not easy to achieve. In his village, no one spoke English. At school, English was one of the hardest subjects for him. When the teacher spoke English, it sounded strange and confusing. Rizal often felt lost in the classroom. His friends did not care about English. They said it was not important. They believed they would live in the village forever, so they didn't need to learn it. Sometimes they laughed at Rizal when he tried to speak English. Those moments hurt him. He felt embraced and small. There were times when he wanted to give up. He thought maybe English was not for him. But deep inside his heart, his dream was still alive. One day, something unexpected happened. Rizal found an old book near the market. The book was dusty, torn, and incomplete. Some pages were missing, and the cover was almost gone. But when he opened it, he realized it was an English book. For many people, it was just stress, but for Rizal, it was something special. He took the book home and started reading it. At first, it was very difficult. He did not understand most of the words. The sentences looked confusing, but he did not stop. He read slowly, word by word. He tried to guess the meaning. Sometimes he repeated the same page many times until he understood a little. At night, while others were sleeping, Rizal practiced speaking. He stood in front of a mirror and talked to himself. Hello, my name is Rizal. I want to learn English. He pronounced His pronunciation was not good. His sentences were not perfect, but he kept practicing every day. Days turned into weeks, and weeks turned into months. Slowly, Rizal started to understand more. He learned new words. He became more familiar with the sounds of English. One day, a tourist came to the village. The tourist looked confused and tried to ask for help. He spoke in English, but no one understood him. People just looked at him and walked away. Rizal saw this situation. His heart started beating fast. He felt nervous. He was afraid of making mistakes. But at the same time, he felt this was his chance. He took a deep breath and walked toward the tourist. "Hello, can I help you?" he said slowly. The tourist smiled with relief. "Yes, thank you. I'm looking for the nearest bus station." Rizal listened carefully. He did not understand every word, but he understood enough. "You go straight, then turn left. The bus station is near the market," Rizal answered. His English was simple and not perfect, but it worked. The tourist understood him and smiled. "Thank you so much. Your English is good." At the moment, at that moment, Rizal felt something he had never felt before. He felt confident. He felt proud. He realized that his effort was not useless. That small conversation changed his life. After that day, Rizal became more motivated than ever. He studied harder. He looked for more books. He listened to English using his old phone. He practiced every day without stopping. Of course, the journey was not always easy. There were days when he felt tired. There were moments when he felt frustrated. But he remembered that moment with the tourist, and it gave him strength. Years passed. Rizal grew older. He decided to leave his village and move to the city. It was a big step, and it was not easy. Life in the city was more challenging, but also full of opportunities. He continued learning and improving his English. Step by step, he became better and more confident. Finally, one day, Rizal achieved something he once thought was impossible. He became an English teacher. Now, he stands in front of many students. He teaches them not only English but also courage and persistence. He understands their struggles because he once felt the same way. When his students ask him, "Sir, how did you learn in English?" he always smiles and says, "I started with nothing, but I never give up." This story teaches us something important. You don't need perfect condition to start. You don't need expensive tools or a perfect environment. What you really need is a strong desire and consistent effort. Learn English. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about being brave enough to try, even when you are afraid. It is about continuing, even when it feels difficult. So, if you are learning English right now, don't stop. Keep going, even if your progress feels slow. Every small steps matter. One day, you will look back and realize how far you have come, and you will be proud of yourself. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.